You've been in permanent jewelry for a while and you're ready to scale and grow. You also want to raise your prices, but you're stuck. How do you raise your prices? It's very, very simple. And this is an issue I see so common with those of you who've been in the business typically 6 months or more. Now, when you're raising your prices, you're not just raising your prices and trying to make more money. You also, for the consumer, have to provide more and more value. One of my favorite students, Ashley, she was working with us for quite a while and she's like, Tony, I really want to raise my prices. And I asked one simple question to her. What inventory are you sitting on that is never selling? She's like, well, actually quite a bit. And what we realized was she had 3 or 4 chains that were just simply not selling. And I asked her, I said, so how much money are you making by that chain sitting there? She's like, well, actually nothing. I said, exactly. Now I challenged her at her next event. I told her at her next event to raise all of her chains by $30 a chain. Yes, $30 a chain. And then what I challenged her to do was then actually give away another free bracelet with every purchase. Now that free bracelet came from a chain that was never selling. And in fact, what happened, she tripled her prices or tripled her sales actually at that event. So whenever you're looking at raising your prices, think about how much more value or what could you do to bring more value to your clients at the permanent jewelry event. Also, using that model is a great way to stand out if you're at events where there's multiple competitors. It's actually my favorite way to stand out because guess what? The competitor has no clue what you're doing and how you're doing it. So whenever I'm at an event, I always like to bring 5 different pop-up signs with me. Pop-up sign number 1 is a free permanent jewelry bracelet with every purchase. Pop-up number 2 is a free permanent jewelry ring with every purchase. Pop-up number 3 is a free permanent jewelry cleaning kit with every purchase. Pop-up number 4 is going to be a free $20 gift card with every purchase. And pop-up number 5 is a free permanent jewelry training or permanent jewelry tasting with every purchase. When I do those training or when I do those pop-ups, those pop-up banners, I like to keep them all in my car. Why? Because let's say I'm at an event where someone's already giving something away for free. What I like to do is offer something completely different that has a higher perceived value. Let's say Ashley has a pop-up sign that says free permanent jewelry ring with every purchase. I'm going to probably throw a pop-up sign that says free permanent jewelry bracelet with every purchase. As a consumer, who are you going to go to? So if you enjoyed these tips, click the subscribe button. Let's get connected. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one.